Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the place where we uncover the hidden secrets of a healthier, fitter you. Today, we're diving into a powerful question that just might change your life. What happens if you do just 20 squats every single day for 30 days straight? It sounds simple, right? Just 20 squats. No gym, no weights, no fancy equipment. Just you and your body. But the results are absolutely shocking. Stick around, because somewhere in this video we're revealing a sneaky bonus effect that no one talks about, but it can make or break your results. And if you're thinking, 20 squats can't do much, just wait until you hear benefit number 4. It might just blow your mind. So grab your water bottle, sit back, and let's explore exactly what happens when you commit to this 30-day squat challenge. 1. Stronger, toned legs. You'll feel the burn and love it. Let's start with the most obvious, and maybe the most satisfying, change: your legs. When you do 20 squats a day, you're activating your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves all at once. It's a full leg workout packed into one powerful movement. In the first few days, you might feel a burning sensation, especially if you haven't been active for a while. That's muscle activation, your body waking up, rebuilding and strengthening those leg muscles with every representative. By week 2. You'll start to notice subtle changes. Your jeans might feel a little tighter around the thighs, not from fat, but from lean muscle building. Walking upstairs feels easier. Getting out of bed is smoother. Your body is adapting, and it loves it. And by day 30? You'll not only see more definition in your legs, you'll feel a surge in lower body strength you didn't think was possible from just 20 squats a day. 2. Your core will start to tighten without a single sit-up. Here's something many people don't know. Squats aren't just a leg exercise. Every time you lower your body down and push back up, your core muscles fire up to stabilize your torso. That includes your abs, obliques, and lower back. So even though you're not lying on the floor doing crunches, you're engaging those midsection muscles every single representative in the first week. You might even notice some soreness around your waist or belly. That's a good thing. It means your deep core stabilizers are working. And over 30 days, you'll likely see your belly start to tighten. You won't get six-pack abs from squats alone, but you'll develop a stronger, flatter core, which supports your spine and improves posture too. This is one of those hidden benefits people don't expect, and it's one of the most powerful. If you've been struggling with lower back pain or poor posture, 20 squats a day could be the start of a real solution. Okay, here's where things get really interesting. Did you know that squats are one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises out there? They engage multiple large muscle groups simultaneously, and that takes energy. So, when you commit to 20 squats every day, you're actually boosting your metabolism throughout the day. That's right, your body continues burning calories even when you're sitting at your desk or lying on the couch. This is known as the afterburn effect, where your body keeps torching calories for hours after your workout ends. Over the course of 30 days, this can lead to significant fat loss, especially around stubborn areas like the belly and thighs. It's not just about the movement, it's about creating a metabolism that works harder, even when you're not. So if you've been stuck at a weight loss plateau or tired of doing endless cardio, this one simple habit, just 20 squats a day, could be the missing link. 3. Increased joint flexibility and mobility. Move like you're 10 years younger. Here's a benefit most people overlook: joint health. Squatting daily helps lubricate and strengthen the joints in your knees, hips, and ankles. Now, you might be thinking, won't squats hurt my knees? And that's a common myth. The truth is, when done with proper form, squats can actually protect your knees by strengthening the muscles and ligaments around them. As you progress through the 30 days, you'll notice that your range of motion improves. Sitting, bending, twisting, and walking all become smoother. The stiffness you might have felt in the mornings starts to fade. By the end of the month, you might feel like your body is 10 years younger, more mobile, more flexible, and more in control. This is especially powerful for those over 40 or 50, where mobility starts to naturally decline. Yes, let's talk about one of the most exciting changes: your glutes. Doing squats daily directly targets your gluteus maximus, which is the largest muscle in your body, and the one responsible for the shape and firmness of your butt. In the beginning, you might not feel much happening. But by the second week, Every squat will feel like a mini lift for your behind. You'll feel a deeper squeeze and burn, especially if you go low and keep good form. By day 30, don't be surprised if your pants fit differently, or if people start to notice your new shape. Squats naturally lift and firm your booty without any machines, workouts, or expensive programs. This isn't about building a bubble butt overnight, it's about reclaiming your strength and confidence from the ground up. 4. Better posture. Standing taller without even trying. Here's another surprising benefit. Squats improve your posture. Every squat you do strengthens your back, glutes, and core, which are all essential for standing tall and sitting upright. Most of us spend hours hunched over desks or phones, which weakens our posture over time. But daily squatting reverses that. As your glutes and core strengthen, your body naturally aligns itself better. You'll start walking with more confidence. People might say, "You look taller," or "You seem more confident lately." It's not in your head. That's what better posture looks and feels like. And it all starts from that small daily act of squatting. Yes, squats work your body, but they also powerfully affect your mind. Every time you do a set of squats, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that reduce stress and elevate mood. You'll find that by week 2 or 3, your mindset begins to shift. You feel more energized, less anxious, and even more motivated to make other healthy choices like eating better or going for walks. You're not just building muscle, you're building mental momentum. And the confidence of showing up every day, even for just 5 minutes, turns into a psychological win that makes you feel unstoppable. 5. Your hormones will shift in your favor. This one is a game changer. Regular squats stimulate the production of human growth hormone, HGH, and testosterone in both men and women. These are natural hormones that help build muscle, burn fat, and increase energy. And because squats are such a compound movement, they activate more muscles than most workouts, causing your body to produce more of these hormones. Over time, this means better metabolic health, improved mood, faster recovery, and even better sleep. Imagine doing something so simple each day and unlocking a biological advantage that supports your entire body. Something unexpected happens after a few weeks of doing squats. You start craving more exercise. It's not because squats are addictive, it's because your body and brain are aligning. You start feeling better, moving better, and your energy is higher. Suddenly, you want to add a walk after dinner, stretch in the morning, or do some push-ups with your squats. This is how real transformation begins, not from punishment or extreme workouts, but from small, consistent wins that inspire more action. That's the beauty of starting with 20 squats. It's easy to commit to. It builds momentum. And that momentum leads to lasting lifestyle change. And most of all, you prove to yourself that you can build real change from something small and consistent. Let us know in the comments, are you starting the 30-day squat challenge today? We'd love to hear your day 1 experience and check back after day 30. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our future fitness tips that are simple, science-backed, and sustainable. Thanks for watching Fitness Tips. Until next time, keep moving, keep growing, and never underestimate the power of consistency.